So how will we make the game more difficult? By adding asteroids. Each level will add an asteroid that hurtles toward the spaceship. In addition, the higher the level, the faster the asteroids will move. To create the asteroid, click the Choose a Sprite icon. Then type rocks into the search oval. Click the rocks icon. Then click the Costumes tab. Select the whole costume and resize it. Then center the costume over the bullseye. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.